Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over my daily plan and exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, dropping down after, again, Powell mentioning that unemployment isn't exactly as high as we did need. Again, we dropped below our 50-day moving average, continued on lower, and now we are sitting on this area of balance. Again, this area of balance is a symmetric triangle here on the 4-hour chart. So again, will we break higher for that possible gap up? Again, gapping up into our prior gap down that we had. Will we gap up into it, or will we possibly continue on lower? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY. Again, Happy New Year to all of you guys. I appreciate you guys that have been supporting the channel every single day. Again, going over market updates every single day here on the Instables room, and we will continue to go at it. Looking forward to our next year to come, and I'm planning on going till I can't breathe anymore, to be honest. So I'm looking forward to every year to come. I appreciate you. I don't care where the market heads. We're always going to stay on top of what move is next because we look for confirmation. We look for candle structure, and we're staying focused on indicators, making sure that we're ahead of the game here is exactly what we're focused on here. So again, overall here, sitting on that anticipation that we had from, again, Nick Timiraos mentioning that possible Fed pivot. We did get our decrease in rates. However, again, Powell mentioning that unemployment wasn't exactly as high as we needed. So again, jobs reports very key. Again, we did have our pullback, our continuation on lower below our 50 as we lost some of that anticipation that we had on that possible Fed pivot, and now sitting on a pullback, sitting within an area of balance here. Again, that symmetric triangle here on the 4-hour chart, making sure that we focus on this because we could possibly spike higher going into tomorrow if we do break above here. Again, with this gap down that we had, we have room to possibly run to the upside. So we'll see if we get this bounce, but what we're focused on here besides that symmetric triangle is on the daily chart. As you guys can see here, again, we do have our 20 that just crossed below our 50 here. So again, looking at that possible bearish momentum, even if we do have a spike, we need to be careful because we could just be on a quick retest for that confirmation on an engulfing candle that we're looking for, again, on the daily chart for those swing plays to the downside. So again, sure, we may get a nice break intraday from the 4-hour chart to have that gap filled, but however, keeping in mind that we have a possible engulfing candle that could play out here. And as far as playing to the upside, as far as swinging to the upside, as a lot of people may be curious leading into 2023, is this a time that I should just start investing? In my opinion, letting confirmation come for bulls is going to be extremely key as far as going long here, because as you guys can see, again, we have prior rejections that we had on the upper end of our channel. We just got a rejection here recently. So again, that bullish candle structure above the upper end of our channel is exactly what we're focused on as far as if we are looking for that continuation. So again, just keeping that in mind, we need our 20 to cross back over our 50. We need that, again, respect above our 20, and then we need that proof of concept, again, on the upper end of our channel to show us that we are going to continue on higher. So again, bulls staying cautious, again, short term, again, that possible gap fill on the 4-hour chart, but however, on the daily chart, we do have our possible engulfing candle that could continue on lower on that anticipation that we're losing. And again, 2023, a lot of people are calling for a crash to come. So again, we do have to stay cautious. Again, we do have our decrease in sell pressure. However, we do need, again, confirmation. Either we're going to get confirmation on that engulfing candle to the downside, or we do get that confirmation above our channel here. And then our largest indicator besides our buy pressure and sell pressure on the MACD, and then our RSI that is consolidating, not exactly sure where the RSI may be headed next based on what confirmation we get. Again, looking at the dollar, again, looking at our overall pressure, we have been decreasing in buy pressure recently. So we're looking to see if we will possibly confirm with increases in buy pressure, or if we will continue on with our 12 EMA curling down here to cross below our 26, which will give the market that possible gap fill on the 4-hour chart. We'll see exactly what happens, but again, looking more so for that confirmation on the daily chart so that way we can get that nice play to the downside or to the upside if we get that confirmation above our channel. And looking at the dollar, as far as how much strength we have, as you guys can see, we got a rejection below our 20-day moving average. We are dropping just below our prior low that we had recently. So again, looking to see if we will continue on lower or if we will possibly bounce back over our 20, which will give us more weakness in the market. And again, looking for that weakness back on the dollar is what we'll be looking for strength in the market. So again, we'll see exactly what happens. The DXY, very unsure exactly where it may be headed next with our 12 EMA curling down, looking for buy pressure. Wow, the spike can possibly gap higher on the 4-hour chart. And then we'll see if we do get that possible respect on our 20-day, and then we do get that confirmation above our channel, or if we get our engulfing candle confirming that we do continue on lower. Again, that engulfing candle is, again, for those of you that are not sure what an engulfing candle is, again, looking for our prior day's body to be covered by our current day's body is exactly what we're looking for confirmation, completely covering, showing us that we're confirming and respecting our 20-day moving average here as we are curling down, showing us that we could shift in bearish momentum. We'll see exactly what happens. This is what we're looking for here. And again, if you guys are new to the channel, like the video. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, 2.5 hours before market opens, going into tomorrow, coming in hot. We are going at it every single day in the Instabulls room for only $15 a month. You will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabulls, looking forward to it. We'll see exactly what the market holds. If we have a crash and then we get that possible bounce back that we will be looking for, or if we will get bullish momentum leading into the new year, you will see exactly what happens. Again, 3 jobs data reports coming out this week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and we are starting the day on Tuesday. So we're going to start tomorrow with anticipation of 3 jobs reports, which in my opinion could be that gap fill possibly on the 4-hour chart if we get bad jobs data reports for that possible increase in unemployment, or we will get that continuation on lower if our jobs data reports are bad. So again, keeping that in mind, we'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.